Hi guys, welcome to Bash Engineering, and today over here it is my very first video and I'm going to introduce C++, like starting from the scratch. And like if you don't know anything about C++, this is the place. So C++ is a programming language through which you can build awesome stuff, application, games, and a lot of different things. So let's get started. So to write a C++ program, you need a text editor. So I use a specific text editor, Atom. It's just like a notepad or anything. You can get it from Google. Like you can literally go to google.com and search Atom text editor, and first thing, click on it, and there you go. I believe it is also available in Windows if you're using Windows. I'm using Mac. So the first thing you have to do is save a file with .cpp format. So for example, bash engr, you can name it anything, and cpp .cpp. This is the main thing if you are programming in C++. Name it anything, your file, and save it with .cpp and save it. That's it. The first thing you have to do in your program is to include a library. And this is how you include library in your program. And the most important library is IOStream. So include IOStream helps program to input and output data. After this, you have to create into your main function. This function is the sole heart of the program. Whatever you have to write in C++, you have to write integer main and curly braces. So now whatever you will write inside of these two curly braces, it's going to be written inside of the main function, and whatever you are going to write outside of this main function, it is not going to affect your program. So over here today I'm going to write a really short, you can say shortest C++ program. So I'm going to display a word. So how I'm going to do it, I'm going to use cout statement, exception operator, and then quotation marks and semicolon. Let me explain you what I just did. So the cout statement basically is like just displaying stuff on the command line, just displaying the stuff from the program. And exception operator, it is like telling, hey, whatever is written in these two quotation marks is going to be displayed. So over here, instead of these quotation marks, I can write any variable. I have to create a variable then, and I have to write it over here, and I can mention everything to display. But right now I want to go super simple because it's like introduction video, and I'm going to write hello world inside of these two quotation marks, and then semicolon means you are terminating this line, and then you have to return return 0. By returning the value 0 means you are terminating this main function. The program will execute after this function. One more thing, you have to write std : over here before cout statement. So since it's like a basic introduction video, and a lot of people don't like to write std again and again, so there is another library for it using name space std. So we are pretty much done over here. Now I'm going to open my terminal, and if you want, like, you can do cd. It will take you back to home directory, like the basic directory, and then you have to do ls. It will show you the list of the folders, and I saved this file in desktop, so you have to do cd desktop. Now I'm inside of the desktop. I have to do ls. Here are all the files. So this is the file we are working on right now, and now I have to compile it, then I have to run it. To compile it, I have to write g++-o, and I have to give a name to this program. So it's just like giving a name to a newborn baby. So I'm going to name it like bash, and then I'm going to mention the name of the file, which is bash engineering.cpp, and then I have to enter it. So it's all done, all compiled, there were no errors. So I have to run it, I have to write // and then I have to mention the name which I gave to this program. Here it is, the program display, hello world. So as you can see, it is all merged up with this command line. So I can go back and I can edit exception operators and line. ENDL means and line. It means I don't want anything on this line besides this program itself. So let's just declare G++. I'm compiling it again, and don't forget to save it. I saved that file after editing, and then I am running it again. You can see, you can write /bash, and there you go, hello world. And congratulations guys, you just learned how to write the very basic program of C++, and you can like play with it like bash engineering or anything. Now let's talk about how to deal with errors. For example, what if I forgot to write semicolon over there? So let's run it. I saved it and run it. It will give you error. So it's saying file -engr.cpp having error on line 6, position number 27, and expected semicolon after expression. So it is also showing you this is the line, and here was supposed to be semicolon. So but this first line is the most important line. It's saying line and then position and saying expected semicolon. So let's go back to the file. Here is line 6, it is position number 7, should be, and I'm writing the semicolon over here and saving it, and then compile it, run it. There you go, it's all working. Please guys, like this video if it was helpful, and please subscribe my channel, and see you in next video.